Rejected.
Notaries can do everything by the book. Verify ID, make sure the signer is present, follow every step. However, you can still have the notarization rejected because of a tiny certificate error that slipped through the cracks. It's a headache no notary wants. Let's make sure that doesn't happen. Stick around. Whether you're already commissioned, renewing, or just making sure that you're doing things the right way, notarial certificates matter more than most people realize. First, legal validity. The certificate is what makes the notarization legally recognizable. Second, document acceptance. Title companies, courts, and recorders rely on correct certificate wording to accept the document without delay. And third, professional credibility. Your certificate shows that you understand and follow the state law. And missing any one of those is how perfectly good notarizations end up coming back. So, when you're handling a document, here's the fastest way to check whether the notarial certificate complies with state law. Every compliant notarial certificate must follow the 4 W's: where, what, when, and who. Where the notarization took place, that's the venue, including the state and the county. What notarial act you performed, like an acknowledgement or a jurat. When the notarization occurred, and who personally appeared before you. Next, make sure the certificate wording complies with the law in the state that you're commissioned. You can notarize documents from another state, but the certificate language still has to be acceptable under your state's notary law. If the wording asks you to do something that you're not authorized to do, that's where you pause and verify before proceeding. Here's a situation notaries run into all the time. The document has the wrong certificate or no certificate at all. You can't notarize without a proper certificate. If one isn't included, you'll need to attach a loose certificate that meets your state requirements. No certificate, no notarization. It's that simple. Here's one important reminder. Notaries don't choose the type of notarial act. You can explain the options, but the signer must decide. And you can't change the notarial act being requested to make things easier. When something doesn't look right, stopping to verify is always the right move. The good news is, certificate compliance doesn't have to be complicated. If you slow down, check the required elements, and confirm the wording complies with your state law, you're doing exactly what a professional notary is supposed to do. And that's how notarizations stay compliant.